What's up? This is Ryan, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you my Questra World Holdings review, and I'm going to get into some details also about Atlantic Global Asset Management as well, since they seem to be partner companies. And I want to get into some details on whether or not these programs here are legitimate investment opportunities for you, or if they are complete and utter scams. So before I get into this review, I do want to let you know that I have a 5-part free training series where I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can start, build, and scale a profitable online affiliate marketing business here in 2017 and beyond. You can get access to that free course that I put together for you below in the description, or going somewhere here on the website on this video. Okay, so with that said, you go ahead and check that out, but I want to go ahead and get right into this Questra World Holdings and Atlantic Global Asset Management review. Okay, so someone actually had posted a comment on one of my videos on my channel, and they know that I've done reviews on a lot of companies similar to this and other programs. They asked, hey, can you go ahead and look into this? This is something that I've come across, and I'm not sure if it's legit or not, so Ryan, can you look into it? I told them that I would, so today I've taken out some time to look into Questra World Holdings to see whether or not it is legitimate or if it's a complete scam. Okay, so this review really isn't going to go that long because I do believe that this is more or less of a hype or a high yield investment program, if you will. Okay, so AKA it is a Ponzi scheme essentially. Because if you're not sure what a HYPE program is, a HYPE program, again, stands for High Yield Investment Program. That's what they call it. And basically these websites say that they have some special investments in real estate or Forex or some type of cryptocurrencies or whatever. They had this golden goose of an investment, and if you just give them your money, they'll actually take your money and put it in their investment pool of qualified investors that never lose, and they have they win 100 to 300% of the time, and you're going to get this massive daily, weekly, and monthly return on your investment, and basically a money vending machine, if you will. Okay, but what's really going on with these websites is that they are just taking earlier investors' money and paying off later investors, and just shifting money around, essentially, again, like a Ponzi scheme. And people think that these websites are actually legit because they do get paid. Some people do get paid early on, and some people do, but inevitably and mathematically, these programs do not last, and people end up losing thousands of dollars overnight. I have seen it firsthand. Okay, so with that said, I'll get into some specific details about Questra World Holding itself. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure where Questra is really operating out of exactly. I didn't dig that deep into this information. I think their headquarters is in like Spain or somewhere in Europe or something like that. So one of the things that I did come across through doing my research on YouTube and Google is this website here, which is SFMA, which is the Financial Service and Markets Authority. This is basically a Belgium government website. And basically on this website, they are pointing out Questra Holdings specifically. They say the Financial Service and Markets Authority, SFMA, warns the public against the activity of Questra Holdings, a company that seems to offer investment in Belgium without complying with Belgian financial legislation. Okay, Questra Holdings is not an authorized investment firm or credit institution in Belgium. It is therefore not allowed to provide banking and/or investment services in or from Belgium. Okay. Moreover, the system proposed by Questra has every appearance of being a pyramid type, or at least of a Ponzi fraud. For more information, yada yada yada. So right there, the Belgian government is like, do not invest with Questra World Holdings. Like, don't do it. Okay, they're essentially a Ponzi, and I want to get in more detail. All right, so here I just went and clicked on the investment tab here at Questra World Holdings website, and if I scroll down here, you can see their investment table. And so depending on what level of investment you come into, that's going to determine your weekly and monthly profitability, essentially. So I believe these are in euros. I'm not sure. I don't know how euros work, but if you put in 270 euros of an initial investment, you can see 4.2% weekly, all the way up to, if you put in 500,000 euros, your average weekly profitability is 6.47%. So again, I'm not going to get any more details other than that they're essentially saying, hey, if you put in this much money, you're going to get essentially an average or guaranteed return on your investment on a weekly basis. And again, it's every sign of a hype program. And again, can you make money with these programs? Yeah, that's how Ponzi's work. People make money in the beginning. People get really excited. They share the opportunity, which then gets more people excited to invest more money. Some of those people end up making money. And again, inevitably, they end up getting shut down, whether or not basically the owners of the website end up, they have millions of dollars in their holding accounts, and they end up just shutting the website down and saying it was some type of malfunction with the website, or somebody hacked the website and they had to shut the operation down, and they're really sorry that you lost your investment, but really they just essentially ran with the money because they really couldn't sustain paying anyone else out. Okay, so with that said, guys, I would just say, if you really want to do Questra World Holdings and or this other program here, Atlantic Global Asset Management, don't invest more money that you cannot afford to lose. So if you just have to invest your money into it, don't invest more money that you can't afford to just lose. I would say to not invest at all and actually look for a solid and sustainable way to make money on the line. Okay. With that said, as mentioned earlier towards the beginning of this video, I do have a 5-part free training series where I'm going to teach you how you can build a long-term and sustainable online affiliate marketing business, okay, without you having to mess around with these hype programs or Ponzi scheme deals. I'm going to show you how you can actually identify your target market online, okay, how you can actually build an email list, how you can provide value to that email so people want to buy from you time and time again, and how you can just build more or less of a brand online that you can sustain that is 100% yours. Okay, so again, if you want this free training, you can get that below in the description or going to the website somewhere here on this video, and I'm going to walk you through step by step on some of the best training that I've really put out there for free, and you're going to get access. You can get access to that right now by clicking the link below or going to the website somewhere here on this video and start going through that training. Okay, so with that said, guys, I'll see you over on the training videos, and I'll see you in the next video.